and these are like a really bright orange, like Tony the Tiger. Hey guys, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I am really excited for today because I finally got my order from Shein. We're going to be doing our Shein unboxing. I'm not going to do a try-on haul type of video. I personally don't like to do those type of videos, but I will show you guys everything that was purchased, and I'll also try to link everything down in the description box if you're interested in anything. So please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out my other Vlogmas videos and other videos on my channel as well, and we'll go ahead and get started. So it's one nice big bag full of stuff, and one of these things is actually from my husband. I'm gonna go ahead and open up our package. We've got some really nice goodies in this bag, so I'm excited. It was going on for quite a while. I don't know if Shein is still doing their cyber sale. If they are, I will also update that in the description box as well. I got these really cute pajama pants. They're very tropical looking, but they have like a jogger type of style to them. So I think the colors and just the jogger look is what made me really want to buy these. And I'm one, like, I read a lot of reviews as well before I commit to buying something from Shein, because everything is very hit or miss. Well, maybe not everything, but just a lot of times the sizing is really off when you're getting stuff from Shein, so you really have to be mindful of like your measurements, comparing to a lot of reviews, looking at photos that are posted on reviews, stuff like that. I've noticed when I buy pajamas from Shein, which have been like my favorite thing to buy from them so far, a lot of the times, like, I realize I need to go up a size in them because a lot of times they do shrink and get a little tight after I run them in the wash. Most of the time I can wear a medium or a large in Shein, but again, I realize now after I wash them one time, they do shrink up a little bit. So hopefully this extra large will be fine. But yeah, these are quite stretchy, and I'm just showing you guys. The main color is this really nice teal, light blue type of vibe, and then it's just this beautiful floral tropical pattern. It's got the drawstring on it. There is no pockets. It does have a bow as the tie. Does it come undone? Oh, it does. It does come undone, so you can adjust the bow if you need to the tightness you want of the pants. And then the bottom is a jogger style, and it just has elastic around the ankle. So sometimes these are hit or miss for me when I buy jogger type of pants, whether it's pajamas or loungewear, because sometimes if it's too tight, this little stretchy part, it leaves that indent in around my ankles, which is not fun, but I mean, I deal with it. Hopefully everything fits, because a lot of this stuff I had planned on packing for the trip, so I'm hoping we're not going to have any issues, but you never know. Now this one's actually a set, and it's a button-down long sleeve and a pair of pants. So I really liked the color of this. It's like some sort of like animal print. Unfortunately, now that I see them in person, I don't like them as far as the color. On the website, the color to me came off as like a burnt orange brown undertone, and these are like a really bright orange, like Tony the Tiger. I'm getting Tony the Tiger vibes with these, so unfortunately, I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I want to keep these, because this is what they look like. I don't think this is gonna look good on me. Like, now it just looks like Halloween. It just looks like a joke. I was really hoping those were gonna work out because they're super cute in the picture. These are actual pair of joggers, and oh man, they feel really good. So I'm excited about that. These I thought would be perfect for me to wear the day that we leave to go on our trip, because we are driving. We're renting a vehicle again this time. It's just very convenient for us, and with all the uncertainty still in the air about COVID and this new variant and all that stuff, I personally and my husband, like we both personally don't know when we'll feel comfortable to actually fly somewhere again. You know, I just thinking about it, just sitting up under all the people that you typically sit next to on a plane. And even before COVID hit, like how gross it could be to fly sometimes, because you have those people that cough openly in the air, or somebody's sitting behind you and they sneeze and they don't cover it, and then we can't see that, but all the germs and stuff from their sneeze is in the air now, and you all are sharing circulated air. Like, flying grosses me out now that I think about it. So I just got this basic pair of gray joggers, and honestly, I should have bought more. I don't even know if these came in multiple colors, but when I saw them, it was just this gray color. So they're super light and super stretchy, so these are going to be awesome to wear the day that we're leaving to drive. And these are a little bit different at the bottom compared to the pajamas that I showed you that are jogger style. These are just the smooth finish. These don't have like that elastic scrunched up finish on them, so I really like that. They are lightweight. They're not lightweight to where they feel thin and cheap, but they're just the material is so light and soft and stretchy. So I kind of thought they would be maybe just a little bit thicker, but I think these will be fine because I am going to be in a car. I was super excited about, like, I hadn't even planned on buying any more sweaters because I have quite a few sweaters in my closet right now that some of them I am going to be packing to take on the trip. But this sweater came up in my when I was looking on Shein. I think sometimes it'll show you like suggested pieces that they think you would like, and this sweater caught my eye because you guys know how much I love purple. It's a very beautiful holiday sweater, so I hope that it fits. It's true to the photo and it's so beautiful. I love this. So now that I see it in person, like, this will be a sweater that I wear on Christmas Day. So like, this is what I plan to wear for like our Christmas dinner and all of that stuff, like after we're out of our matching pajamas and open gifts. This is so beautiful, you guys. It looks quite large just looking at it, and I ordered a size large because a lot of people said go down one size. I just went with a large. I was gonna do extra large, but you know, I don't want it to be too big on me, you know. So this looks absolutely perfect. I think it's gonna work out just fine, and it's just so pretty. It's super soft. Like, it's not that sweater material that we all know makes you feel itchy at some point when you wear it. So it's beautiful and it's perfect. I cannot wait to wear this. Now this one is short sleeves, so I think this will be not a set that I take on the trip. I mean, I might take it, we'll see, but I love how chic it looks. It looks quite fancy, but it's a button down short sleeve with a pocket, and it's solid white, and everything is trimmed in black, which I think makes it look super chic and really nice. And then the pants, like I said, is what sold me on this pajama set. So these are the pants. The base of them is black, but you guys, do you see that purple and the flowers? Like, oh my gosh. It's probably not, I'm not gonna say it's unhealthy how much I love purple. It's just very me. It's very comforting, and just a lot of things over time in my life, I feel like the color purple has become more meaningful to me, more symbolic to my life. So I don't know, I guess that's why I love it so much. But these pants are fabulous, y'all. Like, if this was not pajamas, you could so dress this up in a way and wear these out and people would not know the pajamas, because remember, at some point in time, like, it was super trendy for girls, a lot of us, to wear these type of pants like in the summer. Now you guys don't need to see this, but really, I guess I ordered a piece of shapewear. Yes, unfortunately, at 25 and postpartum, I had to order a set of shapewear. I hope that they fit and look decent on me, because I planned on wearing these with the dress that I ordered to wear for my husband and I's anniversary this year. And I'll show you the dress that I got to wear if we do go out for dinner or something on our anniversary, because I'm going to wear that shapewear piece underneath so your girl looks a little more snatched, okay? Anyways, I'm not concerned about this. It feels really nice. I got basically, it's a basic short sleeve shirt. t-shirt. It's a navy, nice blue color, and it just says the word faith. Or no, I'm sorry. This one does not say faith. It just says be kind, which yes, we all need to be kind in times like today. Be kind to each other. But I got this particular shade of blue because there is a striped cardigan my husband bought me, I think this time last year. And it's beautiful. It's been hanging in my closet all this time. I've not worn it because I've had no shirt to wear with it. And thin, close to that material, because a lot of them are, hey, and thought it would be perfect. Unfortunately, I don't think this one did not come in gray. So I just got it in black, and it's got a nice trim in white, a nice white trim. So that's what I got. And it does tie. I thought it tied. It's got it tied. And then finally, the last piece I have in here is the dress. So I'll show you guys that. And we'll see if I even like it. Because if I don't like it, I'm doomed, and I need to find something else in that same pattern. And it is black and white. So, okay. I'm actually impressed right now. It feels a lot heavier than what I thought it was going to be. Like, I thought it was going to be really thin, cheap, stretchy like pattern. But this feels so well made. And I ordered it in an extra large. And no, oh, I'm super impressed. But it is solid black. Oh, I thought it was white. It's actually gold. So it's still really pretty though. And this is what it looks like. And it's got the buttons on here, which look really nice as well. Now, of course, the buttons feel cheap on this. They're not functional. They're just there for the decoration. Otherwise, this does look really cute. And I think it'll be super flattering once I put on the shapewear. So I hope that this does look really cute on me. And in my head, I thought it would be nice to wear this with some black tights and a nice black flat or a cute heel or even a nice booty. I'm all over the place right now, oh my gosh. But yeah, that is pretty much everything in this Shein haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And excuse Kaya for interrupting me. Okay. I'm gonna go now because I need to try everything on, and I want to get everything tried on before my husband gets home, so that way this will kind of be like a little bit of a surprise to him. Then again, it's not gonna be a surprise if he watches this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the very next day of Vlogmas. Bye.